Hi, it's Eli here, solving equations using logs today. And this is a little bit of a longer video. That's alright. Exponential equations first. Step 1, isolate the base. Step 2, take the log of both sides. Step 3, apply the power rule to bring the variable down from the exponent. Step 4, get the variable by itself, usually by dividing both sides by the log of something. Example for exponential equation. 10 to the k minus 2 equals 20. Bring the k minus 2 down and you have log 10 equals log 20. Divide both sides by log 10, and when you do that you'll get k minus 2 equals 1.301 and a whole bunch of other stuff. And then you're going to add 2 to both sides, and then you'll end up with k equals 3.3 rounded to the nearest tenth. So I know I went a little fast, but you can always pause and go back over my steps and the example. Okay, now we're going to move on to logarithmic equations. There are two types of logarithmic equations: when the variable is already isolated and when the variable is not isolated. Isolate the variable type. Use the change of base formula. Log base b m equals log base c m divided by log base b, where m, b, and c are all positive and b and c are not equal to 1. You will usually want to change to base 10 for the calculator. And there's an example there. Example for isolated variable type. So you've got the 2 down in front of log x equals 2. You're going to swing the 2 back up and put it on the x, and then you'll see that base 10, because it's a common log, so then you take the 2 on the other side of the equal sign and put it on the 10, and that equals x squared, and then you're going to square it, and then you're going to square root them to get 10 equals x. Variable is an isolated type. Step 1, condense if necessary. Step 2, write in exponential form. Step 3, get the variable by itself. And step 4, now solve like the first type, when the variable is already a log. It's pretty simple. Example for when the variable is isolated. So you're going to take your exponent on log 3x and swing it back up. And this one, there's subtraction, so you're going to have to condense it after you square 3x and make it 9x squared. So using your condensing rules, you'll get log 9x squared divided by 9, because they both have base of 10. And then the 9's will cancel out, and you get log x squared equals 1. And then, as you know, it's log base 10 x squared, and you'll take the 1 on the other side of the equal sign, put it up in the exponent spot on the 10, and equals x squared, and then you square both sides, and you get x equals 10 again. So again, if I went too fast, just go back, pause it, look over the steps and examples, take your time and learn. Alright, bye.